Hey guys, welcome back. So after last week's video, I decided to come out with another planner inspired video, and I love that you guys didn't mind. So I'm gonna show you guys how I custom made some pages to hold my stickers. Now this is a sticker book by the brand Mambi or Happy Planner. So it actually already comes like this, just with different rings, and I just decided that I needed more pages. As you can tell, I've already added some of my stickers onto this, and then I realized I should show you guys how I did it. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Now I'm gonna go into the tab. There's always something to be thankful for, and I'm gonna add my squad goals there just because I want it to be a little bit more accessible to me. And I'm just going to show you guys how I do a couple of pages. I'm obviously not going to do all of them, but these are like super cute, and I feel in a sticker book we can carry them a little bit better. So yeah, for this video you obviously need some sticker sheets. Now I bought this paper. These are the 60 sheets that come in the Happy Planner kind of split sheets. And you can buy these at Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Right now I think they're like 40% off, so you actually get them for like $2, which is amazing because it comes with 60 sheets. But if you're gonna put front and back for it to be sturdy, you're kind of going to use like 120. So it's pretty awesome because each of these books sometimes come with like 30 pages, so get a lot for your buck. So okay, let's start by doing this. And like I said, you'll need some type of sticker sheets, some type of pre-punched sheets, unless you have the puncher by Happy Planner. You will need some adhesive, some scissors to cut any edges, or yeah, any excess that you may have. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna line your paper. You obviously take your double-sided tape and you start punching some sticker lines so that your sticker sheet goes on perfectly. So I'm gonna do 4 just because I want it really sturdy. 4 on each side and then 2 in the center. And then you just gotta position your sticker sheet to where you want it to, and you this one came a little crooked, and there you have it. So now you have a little sticker sheet. Now I'm going to do the same with the other side, just so that I can take advantage of my double-sided one. So from here it's pretty much easier because you guide yourself from the other page. So I'm just gonna put some some adhesive like that. You obviously don't need as much tape as I'm using. I'm just wanting it to be really sturdy, so I'm adding a lot more than you need. But this is really pretty much optional. So now you just press it down, and this is the cool part. You get your little sticker book, and then you just punch in your pages. Now you don't have to, be flipping like these. You just flip like this, if it makes any sense. I'm gonna do another one in a fast forward kind of way so you guys can see what I did all over again. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and happy planning.